back to my channel. As you can tell and as you saw by the title, you know what I'm going to be doing today with this beautiful hair from Nadula. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm just going to show you literally a start to finish install using my Ghost Bond glue. So right now I'm just going to prepare my stocking cap for the ball cap method by cutting out my ear tabs just so my ears can peek through and I can proceed to use the freeze spray. One thing that you don't want to do while using a freeze spray on your cap, you don't want to just spray a line straight across your head, because honestly the freeze spray like drips. So you want to spray in sections and then like guide the spray where you want it to lay. That way your ball cap will be perfectly fit to your head and you won't have to go and customize it too much. So what I found to be helpful while letting my cap dry is to tie a headband, bandana, or something over it, and that way it will dry way faster and quicker. As you guys can see, I'm going to go in with a color from a palette just to blend this cap in some more. It won't be my exact skin tone, which is fine because your scalp is always lighter than your actual skin color anyway. So I'm just going to go in with this color and just cover my cap until I get it to my liking. To cut off the cap, you want to start from the ear, and because I've learned from experience, if you start from the middle, that tension will pull the size of your ear tabs up, and then you will have to go back in to lay it back down. So cut out your ear tabs first and then go to the middle, and then you can use a razor or a pair of scissors, but I use a razor because it cuts that line how I really need it to be cut. These pads are not only good for your skin, but these are also very good to clean off all the excess glue or just excess oil from off your skin. So again, like I told you guys, I'm going to use my Ghost Bond and I'm going to use my Nadula Hair to install this wig. And as y'all can see, it's already melting, like period, okay? Period. After you figured out how your wig is going to fit, don't be scared to go back in and clean up any extra cap or cut off any extra cap. So as far as gluing, I do this the same way for me, for my clients, which every install lays closure, lays frontal. I'm going to start in the middle and I'm going to use 3 coats of my of my Ghost Bond. And after I do that, I clean my comb off after each use and blow dry it till it's clear. Then I'll go in with the second layer, smooth it out, blow dry it till it's clear, and then I'll do the last coat. And I'm going to do that for the middle section in both of my ear tabs. So guys, I feel like laying the lace is the most important part. When you want to lay your lace, you just pull it in front of the glue and your hairline. This way, when you apply it, you won't have to go back and clean up. If anything, you'll just have to go back and add glue to the lace like I just did at that corner. But yeah, you want to lay your lace in front of that glue, or like right on top of it, because you don't want to have to do the extra step of cleaning up all the glue. So this is how your wig should be looking after you have glued down each side. Now you want to take some baby hairs. Y'all do not have to be dramatic. This lace came plucked, y'all. I did not do anything but go back in and bleach my knots. Like, I did not pluck anything. So I'm just gonna shave down my baby hairs basically on each side. Then I'm going to use the Got To Be Ultra Glue black bottle, y'all, not the yellow bottle. I hate the yellow bottle. And I'm going to use about that much on each baby hair. And I'm just going to do my baby hairs to my liking. So yeah. The best thing you can do for your lace to really melt is to tie it down. Tie it down and go back in and add a second scarf, okay? I'm sorry, but the tighter the scarf, the more laid your baby hairs, your lace, or whatever it's going to be. So I'm just going to put my hot comb on the stove. It's Annie. You can get it from your beauty store. And I'm going to use my Human Control just as a heat protector before I hot comb and also before I begin to curl my hair. This hair is so beautiful, y'all. Like, I'm so in love. Adding that extra shine to it just really brought it to life. But I'm gonna go in and just define my part a little more because I do want a side part. And I'm just gonna section my hair off to begin curling. Now guys, I'm going to be using my 1.5 inch barrel curler from Conair. And I'm really doing these curls in big sections because I just want my hair to be like full of body. So I'm just gonna give my straight hair some body with these body curls on my 1.5 inch barrel curl from Conair. Spray it with my Got To Be spray. Excuse my face, y'all. And then pin it up until I'm done with the rest of the curls. The key to holding a curl with straight hair or just any hair is to scrunch it up, spray it with some type of holding spray, and then pin it. You can pin it however you learn to pin curl. It really doesn't matter because once you spray it, it's really gonna lock it in. Also, when you're doing a barrel curl, as you guys can see, like, you want the tail of that hair to stay in that barrel. If it falls out, your whole curl is like messed up. But just make sure you wrap it and then pin it when you're done. Y'all, using a curling iron is all in the wrist. Like, I can't explain it any other way. Another thing I've learned is to always curl away from your face. So basically you want to curl back, especially when you get to the front of your face, so that curl can really frame your face. Now, curling this specific curl, since it's the last curl and the one that's really going to be on my face, I made sure I held the curling iron there for 8 minutes. And then also, I pinned it all the way to my head. I didn't let it drop. So I'm going to pin it actually to the wig, to my head, to the cap. And yeah, so here's the look of the lace. You guys, melt it, okay? Then you want to take that hot comb that we set on the stove, remember guys, okay? And we're going to just basically press everything down. I'm going to go back in with just a little powder and kind of blend it out. If you guys know a better powder that I can use, please recommend. But this is just what I had. This is what I used. And yeah, I'm just going to really end out this video. I'm going to take down my hair and you guys will see how everything look. I hope you guys enjoy. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, share, and turn on those post notification bells so you guys will know when I post. I'm trying to post very often, so yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys at the end of the video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm done with this look. This was pretty simple. I really felt like I had to redeem myself from the last video because that Got2b was not working with me. So I showed y'all how I installed my wig with Ghost Bond and also added some soft curls. So yeah, if you guys liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys in another video.